Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com. There's my phone number and website. So have another TL922. Someone tried to do 10 meter mod. They didn't do it properly, so I have to go in and fix that. Air variable's clean, the band switch is clean, everything's nice and clean, but none of the modifications have been done, so I'm going to go through it, do all the updates, the mods, high potted the tubes. They have grid to filament leakage off the bat. They're not directly shorted, but they still work. I'm going to advise the customer that he should replace them. See what he says. But hey, so I'm going to get to work, and I will be back when it's all done. Someone added a piece of ferrite on the cord, which isn't needed. But so anyway, I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, I'm back with the completed amplifier. See, I left the ferrite on here. So, added the series glitch resistor, meter protection diode, made sure everything was spaced properly, added the strap. As you can see, the air variables are nice and clean. Redid the 10 meter mod, that's all set. So I will flip it over and show the bottom. Be right back. Okay, so here's the bottom, change the electrolytic cap, here's the old one, here's all the old stuff. It's connected to the grids to ground. Now grounded with copper strap. Did the bias modification, low inductance mod, plate tune cap and the grids. Clean the output rotary switch, deoxit gold. Clean the input rotary switch, deoxit gold. And she's good to go. Check the SO239 connectors. Produces full output on all bands. And that's about it. So, if you need an amplifier repaired, give me a call. I got a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of amps in for repair. This one belongs to the same customer. Waiting on a plate current meter for this one. Waiting on parts from Ameritron for this one, and this one is all set, just waiting for pickup. So, more of the way. Get things done as quick as I can, but very thorough. As you can see, I do the same job on everyone that comes in. I don't cut any corners. So, thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, and tomorrow, Tuesday, the 6 meter build begins. Take care.